Can you hear it? It's the sound of Mother Earth screaming in pain. The world is pleading for change. Society is desperate for action. Humanity is under threat. Is there hope? How about you? Are you groaning within? Craving something more? A new beginning? Are you satisfied with how things are, or are you restless? Hungry? Eager? Are you a trailblazer? A pioneer? A world changer? Do you seek a personal revolution that totally transforms your future and identity? If you are just watching history pass you by, it is time to take charge of your life and make a difference. That time is now. In a world choking with pollution and drowning in plastic waste, things look ominous and bleak. But there is a glimmer of hope on the horizon that will grow into a flood of blinding light, shattering the darkness of despair. Driven by a defining vision and the power of community, Amplivo is taking the bold step of seriously tackling the global waste crisis, while at the same time offering unique earning opportunities. Rarely in life are we faced with desperate need combined with dynamic opportunity. Together with Amplivo, you have the opportunity to enter a whole new horizon of hope and success. As you enjoy an enhanced lifestyle of greater savings combined with dynamic earnings, you can play a part in the fight against one of the greatest environmental threats of our generation. You can be at the forefront of a global energy revolution. Change has come to you. New beginning is here. The choice is yours. Amplivo. Change for a better world.